The first cell phone was created by the engineer Martin Cooper in 1973. The phone was very expensive, big and heavy. The second phone, now created by a company Motorola. This cell phone was more expensive, but less big and more battery. In 90 years, Motorola dominated the cell phones market, but that year other company appeared, Nokia. And that year the cell phones now had the technology to send messages, SMS. Until 2000, Motorola and Nokia still dominate. Samsung and Apple join the market now.
New millennium brought with it the emergence of integrated cameras, 3G, GPRS, EDGE networks, and smartphones. In 2002, BlackBerry was the first cell phone with cameras and 3G system internet. In order to optimize time and to bring more facilities to day-to-day, the smartphones became indispensable because it made it possible to surf the internet, read and edit text files, spreadsheets, and access your emails quickly.